Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Tuesday St. Patrick's Day, and with spring around the corner, I figured why not bring the two together in what I'll call an Irish Daisy, which is inspired by two lovely cocktails, the Green Eyes and the Emerald Old Fashioned. This cocktail will be served up, so be sure to get your favorite coupe nice and cold. Add some ice and get it in the fridge. For ingredients, you'll need a strong Irish whiskey. I decided to bring out my new favorite, Redbreast 12 Cask Strength. It's bold, it's a flavor bomb, and you're going to love it. If you choose a 40% Irish whiskey, be sure to bump up the volume to 2 ounces. Green Chartreuse for some herbal notes, lemon juice, lime would work equally well, rich simple syrup to take off the edge, and an absinthe rinse for added depth to the herbal notes. Once you've got your citrus juiced and your coupe chillin', gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, go-to jigger, measure out 1/3 ounce of rich simple syrup. Three-quarters ounce of lemon juice. Three-quarters ounce Green Chartreuse. One and a half ounces Irish whiskey. Fill your shaker right up with ice. Seal and shake for 12 seconds. Get your chilled coupe out of the fridge. Mist it generously with absinthe and double strain your cocktail into your glass. Garnish with the maraschino cherry as a nod to the last word. And there you have the Irish Daisy. Now let's give it a taste. Black licorice from the absinthe and herbal notes from the chartreuse on the nose. For taste, deep herbal candy notes, the chartreuse signature, brightness from the absinthe spritz, and the citrus pop from the lemon juice. But within there's also the toasted oak from the whiskey, and even an apricot note that's more pronounced here than during my tasting. And the higher proof from the whiskey really makes this thing pop, have a great mouthfeel, and balance out the sweeter elements. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite St. Patrick's Day cocktail? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.